Class 3 Computer Chapter 3 Word 2016 Part 8. Topics for today are opening a document, closing a document, and exiting Word 2016. Children, in the last class we discussed about saving a document and printing a document. Now, in this section, we are going to learn how to open a saved document, a document which you have created in your computer. So, for that, there are some steps that you need to follow. First thing that you do is start and then open the application, that is Word 2016. Then, click on the File tab and select the open option in the left pane. Means once the Word document is open, then you click on you see all the tabs that will be shown on the bar. You click on the File tab and then you have to select the option Open. Then on the left pane you have once you click on the Open option, the open screen appears, that is figure number 3.10 that is shown on this picture also here, and page number 38 of your book also has that. This open screen appears in which you can browse the folder, means the location where you can store it. There are 2-3 options given. The places given, OneDrive is that email drive that you can save there, and this PC is the hard disk where you can the computer on which you are working, that PC you can store there. There are 3 drives, the hard drives shown here. They are C drive, disk drives are here, C drive, D drive and E drive. So any of these places you can choose and click on the browse button. In that you have to look for a folder using the browse button, and once that comes, the open dialog box comes. Open dialog box will appear, means it will show you which folder to open. Select the file and then in that folder you can select the name. For example, if you have saved a file named ABC yesterday, ABC file will appear. For example, you can see there are 2 files, Word files here. One is a computer is a general purpose device written there, and there is a document -WordPad given. If you see here, see this picture has, there are 2 Word documents here, and this is how the folder will show the Word file. And here you will select the file and then say open. You will click on the open. So you see at the bottom OPEN is written here with an arrow. Click on that and then your file will open, or the document will open. In Word 2013 you can open the document by clicking on the File tab and selecting the Open option. But here you need to follow like this. The next topic that we are going to cover, now when we know how to open it, we should also know how to close it. How to close a document. See, there are there is a difference between closing and exiting. Closing means you close one particular document. The program, the application will be running, but you are closing only one particular file. If you have 2-3 Word documents open and one particular Word document you have closed, that means other 2 Word document, the application is still running. Okay, but if you want to completely close everything, all the Word file, that program you want to close the program application, then there is another option. So let's learn one by one. Closing a document means the application will be running, only one particular document will close. So for that, what will we do? Click on the File tab and select the Close option. And there is another way. Press the shortcut key Ctrl+W. You will press the Ctrl key and W. If the changes in a document are not saved, if you're working and you suddenly pressed Control plus W, it will ask you to save the document. So it will prompt you that you have not saved your file and you're closing the document, otherwise it will be lost. So you can save the changes. Click on the save, click save, and then it will save it and close the file. Then comes exiting Word. See, here we are not saying exiting document, we are saying exiting Word 2016. Word 2016 is the application, the program that we are in which we are creating all these files or document. So once you have finished the work, you can exit the Word 2016 application by using the following options. The shortcut key to close. There are two ways. One, you can click on the shortcut key, that is Alt. There is like Control key, you also have an Alt key. ALT will be written there. You press the Alt key and F4 function key. There are F1, F2, F3 on the top you will see on the keyboard. There you have to press F4 key. And then you can also exit Word application by clicking on the close button, that is X button. At the top you see here, there will be here on the title bar you will see minus symbol there, minimize symbol, and a square box for maximize symbol, and a cross button. If you press that cross button, it will close the application. So that's how we exit the Word 2016 application. So learn these. Your homework for today is to learn all the shortcut keys mentioned here and the steps to open a document, closing a document, and exiting Word 2016. This is your homework. So read this as many number of times and learn the spelling of the highlighted words, the words which are in bold, and this will help you remember these topics really well. That's all for today, children. Take care.